One of the common questions that we get is if we can stack the PCF forms to do pours higher than 8 feet. It's easily done by using one of our PCF drilling templates to drill assembly holes in the outermost flange of the forms. So the drilling templates have a series of 9/16 inch holes that we use to line them up. It's as simple as clamping the drilling template to the form and drilling the holes. Once you have all of the holes drilled, it's as simple as stacking the forms and utilizing the same hardware that we used to put the two pieces together to bolt sections together. You can stack the PCFs as high as you'd like to, though most of our customers choose to not exceed 14 feet due to pour rate limitations. Also note, it's also okay to drill the bottom flange if you need to secure the forms to the foundation of your pour.